That is a big ass bird, dude. That's bigger than the other. This is not good, dude. I was gonna like what? Hi.
That is a big ass fucking bird.
Crow.
It's not a crow, dude.
Is it?
I don't know. I don't know shit about birds.
I'm pretty sure it's a crow.
That crows are like big, dude. And, like, oh my god, look at that bitch.
You, oh my god, you fucking rock. These birds are way trippy, dude. Look at that one up there. Hey. Oh,
It just has like his head up. You see
There's
that?
another one just flew up there. Oh, it just jumped on that one. Oh, this is a mating thing, dude. Cause that one got its beak all up, and when that one landed on it, it went for its beak and shit. Right? What the fuck?
Oh shit.
Did you see that?
Yeah, what
It was a bug flew up, and that bird almost caught it.
That bird did get it, dude. It's eating it.
Shit.
They just like come from moths and shit.
Grasshoppers and shit, worms.
I don't know shit about birds.